REDMOND Coffee Grinder Electric Coffee Bean and Spice Grinder with 2.8 Oz detachable stainless steel bowl for dry grinding, 2-in-1 cleaning brush included, 160W, cream, CG004. One button operation, only one on-off button on electric coffee grinder. Simply press to start grinding and release to stop, very easy to use. Removable large capacity bowl. Stainless steel removable bowl is designed for easy transfer. Powder and clean, up to 2.8 ounces 80 grams of coffee each time, enough for 12 cups of coffee. Multi-purpose REDMOND electric coffee grinder not only can grind coffee bean, but also grind spices, nuts, herbs, pepper, seeds and grains. Strong and thick material, 160W powerful motor, high-quality food-grade sharp stainless steel blade grinds coffee beans evenly in 20s, save your time. Extra gift and storage. REDMOND electric coffee grinder comes with an extra 2-in-1 spoon and brush, which you can use it to take coffee bean and clean the bowl. The cord wound around in base, easy to store and save your kitchen place. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.